All right. I don't know if I see the question properly, but as far as I can see it, because it's not clear enough, but as far as what I can see, it is the square root of 108 times x raised to the power 10 plus 200 the square root of 243 times x to the power 10. I don't know what is the instruction, but I'm going to assume it says to simplify. So if it says to simplify, we're going to go with it like this. First, we're going to have, right, 108 is 4 times 28 times 27 times x to the power of 10 plus, right, 243 is going to be equals to it's going to be equals to, let me just try this one here. Okay, 243 is going to be equals to 27 times 9 times x to the 10, right? And furthermore, we see that it can be 4 times 9 times 3 times 10 times x to the power 10 times x to the power 10. Maybe I overcomplicated it, but it still gives you the answer that you need. And then we're going to have 27 is also going to come down to 27 is 9 times 3 times 9 times x to the power of 10. This is equals to square root of 4 times square root of 9 times square root of 3 times the square root of x raised to the power of 10 plus square root of 9 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 9 times the square root of x raised to the power of 10, right? The square root of 4 is going to be 2 times, right? Since it's numbers, this is going to look like a comma. It's better we just write it. So it's going to be 2 times 3 times the square root of 3, which is the square root of 3. And then you say, what is the square root of x raised to the power of 10? The square root of this. So the square root of anything is simply this thing raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? The square root of 4 is simply the square root of 2 squared, 1 over 2, which is equals to 2 times 1 over 2. 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1. Anything raised to the power 1, which means that thing multiplied by nothing, is that thing, is this. So x raised to the power of 10, square root of that is just the square root of, is just the exponent multiplied by 1 over 2. Just like the cubic root would be the cube root of, let's just say, cubed. The cube root will be equals to x raised to the power of 3 times this, which is just going to be x, right? So if we come here, we say, all right, understood. Then what is going to be x raised to the power of 10? The square root of x raised to the power of 10 is going to be equals to, x raised to the power of 10 divided by 2 plus square root of 9 is 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3 times, again, x raised to the power of 10 divided by 2. Or just to make it simple, let's not jump the gun as of yet. Let's represent it as it is, which is going to be x raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is x, again, x raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which means this is going to be equals to 2 times 3 is 6 square root of 3. Multiply by x to the power of 5 plus 3 times 3 is 9 square root of 3 times x raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of 5. From this we can see that x raised to the power of 5 and x raised to the power of 5 become like terms. So if x raised to the power of 5 and x raised to the power of 5 are like terms, and 6 square root of 3, 9 square root of 3 is going to be 15 square root of 3 times x raised to the power of 5. The proper way to write it would be 15 x raised to the power of 5 square root of 3. This is the simplified answer if they said simplify.